I said, ZANU PF, I can't vote for ZANU PF. I can't vote for those who have caused me to be in this condition. I have also said, my Mjuru and my Kupe don't offer very much. So there is Chamisa left. And I have, during that time, during all this time, cried for return, our return to constitutionality, our return to legality, our return to freedom for our people, an environment in which our people would be free. Our neighbors have been fooled into believing that all is well. No, it was not a coup d'etat. Nonsense. It was a thorough coup d'etat. You don't roll down the tanks, bring on your army and units and deploy them. It's not a coup d'etat. Why do you do that? Who is attacking you? Nobody. Nobody is attacking you. You're attacking yourselves. You're demonstrating to the people that they have taken power. That is all. So I want the army that ensured I remained in power. You are wrong on that one. We had elections every 5 years. Every 5 years. And I was defeated at one time. So, but Tsvangirai did not have enough votes. He did not have enough votes to get an outright win. We had a government of national unity, yes. I am not the one who is in charge.
Oh. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.
People, thanks for coming.
Thank you for coming. Recordings are over. Please, let's go.
Can we all go? Huh?
Sorry.
Open them.